Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to get latest wallpapers in your iPhone. If you're using any iPhone and you want to get the latest wallpaper in your iPhone, so let's see how can you do that. So there's a simple way. You just have to update your software to update your wallpaper. So open your settings here, go for general, go for software updates, and you have to make sure that you haven't any pending software update. If you find any pending update here, you just have to have an update option and your iOS or your software will be updated. And after that, you just have to scroll down and look for the option of wallpapers, select that, and here select add new wallpaper, and you'll get a list of different wallpapers here. So you can see there's a lot of wallpapers and there's a lot of collections, so you can easily select which one you want to set as. So for example, you can easily set your photos, your shuffle photo. If you want to get shuffled photos on your wallpaper, so for example, if you have selected this option, your photos will start shuffling as your own wallpaper. And you can also select emojis to set emojis on your wallpaper. You can edit your emoji if you want to, or you can change the theme of your emojis from here. And after that, you can also set different colors, or you can change colors by swiping like that, or you can use change colors from here. You can also customize your colors. And here's the option of astronomy. You can set astronomy photos as your own wallpapers. So as you can see, there are a lot of planets or the moon. You can also set the moon as your own wallpaper at any different angle from here. So if once you have done, just select the add option, set as wallpaper pair, and your wallpaper will be successfully up to date. So in this way, you can easily get the latest wallpaper on your any iPhone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.